Eric Kowenga, Ramogi TV.
Duol makedo gi mibadhi e pachoka EACC osingo neno ni otim nonro ewi gima omiyo gope ma ibandho Kenya omedre ma ochopo siling trilion 11.1 ma oriwo koda kagowi ma sirikal masani osekuno ma kwan ok tin ne siling trilion 2.4 nyaka nodonji e telo. EACC olero ni moko kuom chenro ma omuonyo omenda go imenyo mondo mi yangi adieri margi. Jakom EACC Bishop David Oginde ma oloso Naivasha e romo gi komiti mar od bura marango weche mag chike wacho ni ginono chenro manotim gi sirikal ma okalo gi ma sirikal masani e weche go mag omenda.
We have been investigating all kinds of allegations of corruption within government, whether they were part of the debt that was taken by government over the years or in any other way. So we are not certainly reacting or responding to the issues that have come up now regarding the debt, but we will pursue any corrupt deals wherever they are found, whether they are related to the debt or not.
The debt, which we agree has gone up, EACC must be investigating, and this is one question we have posed to them. Are they currently investigating how public funds may have been used from public debt? And if so, what are the results and what action is going to be taken?
One of the biggest problems with this country is impunity. We have very good laws, but we want shortcuts. A place is meant to be a residential area. A person come and put a disco club for 100 drunkards to cause havoc to 10,000 people sleeping under the guise that is making business. The problem comes to enforcement. There are some of the things that we do in this country as Kenyans. You yourself, you cannot do it in another country. Kenya puts a very good signboard, unakuja kuiba kwenda kutengeza jiko wa makaa. Signboard. Sasa, Kenya puts barriers because this place, there is a deep river. Chuma inaibu inaenda kuyayushwa kwa jua kali inatengezwa mikuki. Now, how do you operate as a society? Then you end up blaming the government. The government is you and me.